Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Tractor Supply. We're going to be looking at the Black Friday deals. They do got a lot of holiday deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more clothes and to review videos for you guys and make more videos like this. Starting off, we got a heater here, and then this is the Black Friday section that they have, the deal section. Lots of good deals here. $19.99. Pretty much everything here is $19.99 on this side. As you guys see, the tape measure. You got a tape measure and a knife right there to the right. A stud, looks like a stud finder there. Some locking pliers. That's a Porter cable. Yeah, they do still have Porter cable. It's just weird. Some of the stores are getting rid of their Porter cable, but others are still have them. So $14.99 for those 6-inch. Or not 6-inch, 4.5 cutoff discs. So pack of 6, I guess. And $19.99. All that section, the black section, is $19.99. That's a 10-piece combination wrench. All those are $19.99. This looks like a screwdriver set there. Job smart. Another combination wrench set there. A socket set. Looks like the Milwaukee. You know the Milwaukees are square. These are square too, so at least from one side. And then you got the DeWalt for $19.99. A 10-piece. And then you got the DeWalt batteries, two 6-amp-hour batteries, flex volt. $199. They're actually $179 at the Black Friday deals. That's the Porter cable 4-piece combo kit, $179. They didn't have any here. But I thought it was for the flexible batteries, but it's not the price. So you got a free 20-volt DeWalt Max lithium ion, $199. So I don't know what they mean about that. I didn't see that sale about the free. But I know this one is $179. So the impact driver there. And then they got this for $299. A flexible brushless 15-inch string trimmer. Then this, guys, I found this. This is what I came for here. I was so lucky to get this. If you guys haven't seen the unboxing video, I will link it up above. I did that yesterday, so go over to my channel and check it out. But yeah, I ran over outside and get a cart so I can put it in my cart and secure the deal here, because these things, let me tell you, they are a smoking deal for $199. You got a flex volt reciprocating saw. You got an impact driver 887 brushless, top of the line 3-speed. Plus you get two 6-amp-hour batteries, flex volt 6-amp-hour batteries. You get a charger, and then you get a tough system case, a tough system box. If you guys want to look for it, then you guys make sure you guys do now, because they're gonna be sold out. This card's nice, $199. It's kind of nice. I like the matte finish on it. But you know, there's a lot of competition out there for cards. I don't know if you guys like this color or not, but I would prefer another color, something more bright, you know, or at least a blue or something like that. But yeah, this is a pretty much a great. It's a nice box. Don't get me wrong. Especially for the price. Now I don't know the price on this one. It might have it on the back of the. And then this $99 sale, or $9.99 sale. You got a whole bunch of different stuff here, some plier sets and screwdrivers and stuff like that. So. And then they got some sunglasses protectors there, or holders. Some knives, $14.99. Like a 2-pack of knives. Olympia, that's the brand. This is 2-piece black and silver aluminum utility knife. And then you got the gear wrench here for 32 piece for $89.99. And that's the gear wrench for 84 piece. And they do have that DeWalt $149, I believe. I don't know if that's $99. Correct me if I'm wrong, but They have a Black Friday ad that they're gonna have it for $99. I don't know exactly. So $79.99 for the Job Smart, and they got some more Job Smart combination wrenches, the bigger sizes. $14.99 for the organizer there, or actually there's another one to the right too for $12.99. And then they got the for $99 you get, I can't talk today for some reason, a torque wrench and your breaker bar. So you get a torque wrench and a breaker bar for $99 in the case, and then you get some sockets with it too. So you got this one, buy one and get a tool for free. So you buy that $279 kit and you get one of those tools for free. You can get a blower or a reciprocating saw. And those are the kits at the bottom that you have to buy, I guess. And you get those two tools, or one of those tools, for free. So you got a hammer drill, impact driver, 2 batteries, and you can choose from. That's one of the tools that you can choose from free. So, which is a good deal. Then $19.99 for that XPS set there. Then that battery is $129. And they got this knives from Cat, $12.99. And they got like a keychain multi-tool there type of thing. So really nice little gift there. Stocking stuffers. It's a nice set there. Then they got this huge thing. This thing was huge. $19.99. I don't know who could use that in their pocket. But yeah, it's like a multi-material, and plus it's a big knife. So definitely check it out if you're into this. Like I said, it's a little oversized. You guys see the normal ones and the bigger one to the right, so you can compare them. Then they had these for $14.99 and $9.99. Now these seem to be pretty decent blades. $29.99 for the combo. You got the smaller knife there, like a throw knife, and then you got a machete there. Carnivore. I never heard about this brand, but I think it looks like an okay brand. And then they got these for $19.99, multi tools. And they had the Smith & West. Then they had these Coast Lights for $29.99. And then they had this Job Smart, so $29.99 for the 2-piece, $19.99 for the single, and $29.99 for the 3-piece. So it's a 2-piece LED flashlight. Then they had the DeWalt or Cat headphones there. Or they look like headphones, but they're lights actually, which is a really nice, clever thing to have there, the 2 lights. Then they got the dirt bike there for $7.49, which is a really nice dirt bike. Then they got a quad for $12.99, and they got the mini bike for $699.99. So definitely check them out for your kids, even for yourself if you want to just have fun with it, And that way you can, if you fall from it, you're not going to break a leg or an arm in it. So you're not going really fast on those. $47.99 for the Crescent socket set. Yeah, so they got some different tools here. Definitely some different tools than other stores. $39.99. They got $7.99 for that. Stainless steel magnetic tray. And the sockets, impact rated sockets, $39.99. Then I heard this one's going to be on sale for $2.99, I believe. So definitely look into it. I know that online that they have some sort of sales going on for the Black Friday. I don't know if they have it in store now, but that's what they said on the Black Friday ad. So $3.79 for that. It's not too bad. $4,500 for $3.79. I think that's a good deal. Not too bad. And then they have this one. This one's the bigger one. I don't know if they include the wheels or not, but it's a 6,875 watts. And then they have this one, which is the 9,300 watts. And then they had these huge welders here. These things are massive. So it just depends on, you know, where your business or what type of equipment you need. But these things are huge. If you guys are in the trades, or you know exactly what these are for, like, you know, what type of welding do you do with this, or stuff like that, leave me down in the comment section. I would like to know more about these welders. What type of equipment or what type of material do you guys weld with those? But yeah, anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And stay tuned for that video. I'll see if I can link it up above, the unboxing video for that DeWalt toolkit that I bought. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.